Hi everyone, my name is Marwa Farouq and I'm facilitating the Nonviolent Communication Micro Foundations course. I wanted to record this 2 minutes video to tell you a little bit about what do we cover in this course and maybe shed some light on what nonviolent communication, or NVC for short, is. So to me, nonviolent communication is not just the process, it's more of a paradigm of life, a way that enables us to sort of transform how we relate to ourselves and others, to inspire true collaboration and connection with those that we relate to. That could be in our personal life, in our work, and in other contexts that we operate within. So it's a really different way of viewing and a way to reframe how we have relationships. So in the 2 half days, we're going to cover a few things about nonviolent communication. In day 1, we're going to focus on what is nonviolent communication, some of its underpinning, so some of the key assumptions and key distinctions that really truly enable us to reframe how we view the world and how we view relationships. In day 2, we're going to look further into the process, into the different ways of listening and the different types of making requests that truly inspire collaboration and communication. I hope you join me in this course. For more information into dates and sort of private requests, please go into the Happy website to learn more about it. Okay, see you soon. Bye.